Keep watching until the end to see our special offers.
How can I get more people to see my website offers? Monetizing online activity. Whether your product is physical or digital, you need to have some way for people to find it to purchase it. Some of these people will be existing customers and prospects, and they'll find you based on your communication with them. Others, though, will find you when they have never met you. This grouping of people will help you to maintain your profits and grow them simultaneously. So it's important to figure out where they are and how they can find you. What kind of activities should you engage in? Some of the activities are those you need to engage in once, and then people will find you over and over again. In other cases, you'll have to do certain things every day. What measure they occur in, you'll determine that based on how your business operates. Regardless, you should explore all the available ways to set these processes up. This will help you to find a unique source of individuals that will want to purchase your products and services. But there is a learning curve to integrating these methods into your business. Can you overcome the learning curve? There are some methods of generating traffic that are simple in nature. However, you will need to understand whether they will create the kind of traffic you'll need for your target audience. All of these things are based on the fundamental principles that are in the setup process, but you will only have to learn them once. Once you know them, you will be able to create any kind of traffic that you want. There's a video course that will walk you through the process of generating traffic in your business. If you'd like to find out more about it, check out the link you see on your screen.
You can find the full version of this video training course and many others at bizapps.co. We have 25% off one-time purchases, plus register for the free account and get an extra 25% off, or buy our annual membership and get all our Level 2 courses free.